Old design, new colorway, and a fresh new pickup. Here's my unboxing of the Adidas Ultraboost 4.0 Clear Brown. Let's go! Hi there, MC here for Steel Falcons Gaming, back with another video. As I said in the intro, nothing new. It's the old Ultraboost 4.0 that we all know and love already. It's just a new colorway, and for me, this is far from my usual black, gray, or navy blue pick. So without further ado, let's go to the unboxing. Okay, so this is the Ultraboost 4.0. My usual size 9 US. The product number is F35233. You can't see the colorway indicated on the box, but from the website it's clear brown. Since I'm not that excited about the Ultraboost 19 that is coming out this week in Metro Manila, I just went to the store and picked up an Ultraboost 4.0 in a colorway that is not usual for me, just to put more variety into my sneaker rotation and increase my options as to what I can wear. So with that said, let's go into the customary 360 view. So this is the view from the top, the view from the lateral side, the medial side, from the back, and the sole. So that's that. There's nothing new really here. We already know what we will get with an Ultraboost 4.0. It's just a new colorway. So this is a clear brown, and right here at the heel area, the upper has some specks of navy blue, which is the same color as the navy blue here in the heel counter. And that's my unboxing of the Adidas Ultraboost 4.0 Clear Brown colorway. Please click like and subscribe, and tune in once again here in Steel Falcons Gaming. MC here, signing off. Peace!